Hi everyone, let's see your first question. Here they have given a trigonometric expression. We need to simplify it. This type of questions can be done either by value substituting or normal method. First let us solve by value substituting. So what are the values of x I can substitute here? For example, if I substituted x as 0 degrees, see the options here. In every option you have sine function. So which means sine 0 degrees value is 0. So if you substitute x as 0 degrees, you will get all the 4 options value as 0. So it will be difficult to find which one is our answer. So let us substitute another value x as 90 degrees. See here, first option sin 90 degrees is 1 but cos 90 degrees 0. So 0 multiplied with anything, so we are getting first option as 0. In the next options you have sin 4x as common. First let us find the value of sin 4x value if x is 90 degrees. Sin 4 times 90 degrees, sin 490 is 360. It is in the form of sin n pi. Sin 360 degrees value is 0, which means if you substitute x as 90 degrees, again you are getting all the options as 0. Now let us try for x with 30 degrees. So if we substitute x as 30 degrees, what is the value of expression we are getting? Sin 2 into 30, 60 degrees, plus 2 sin 4 into 30, 120 degrees, plus sin 6 into 30, 180 degrees. So sin 60 degrees value how much? Root 3 by 2. 2 times sin 120 degrees value how much? Root 3 by 2 only. So if you want, I'll find how to find 120 degrees. Sin 120 degrees, see here, I can write as sin 90 plus 30 degrees, right? See, sin 90 plus theta. So what is sin of 90 plus theta? Cos theta. Here theta is 30 degrees. So cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees value how much? Root 3 by 2. So sin 120 degrees value is root 3 by 2. Okay. Plus again sin n pi. Sin 180 degrees value is 0. So 2 times root 3 by 2. 1 time root 3 by 2. So we got 3 root 3 by 2 is our value of expression. Now let us check the options. Which option we are getting as 3 root 3 by 2. Okay. See the first option here. 4 times, if I substitute x as 30 degrees, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 whole square, 3 by 4, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So we are getting 3 by 2 but not 3 root 3 by 2, so which is not our option. See the next option here. 4 times cos 30 is root 3 by 2, again 3 by 4, sin 120, sin 4 into 30 is 120, sin 130 degrees value how much? Root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. So we are getting 3 root 3 by 2, which verified with the expression value. So which is our answer here. You can check the option 3 and 4. You will get some different values. Now let us solve by normal method. Okay. Normal method. See the what is the expression they have given us? Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x. If you observe the options, all the options are in the form of sin 4x. So let us bring this expression in the form of sin 4x. I think everybody know this formula. Sin c plus sin d is nothing but 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay, remember this formula. Now see, sin 2 means 2 sin 4x I am writing as it is, 2 sin 4x, but see here sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 means 6x plus 2x by 2 and cos 6x minus 2x by 2, c minus d by 2. Okay, let me scroll down a bit. Again 2 sin 4x plus, so what we are getting here? 2 sin 6x plus 2x 8x, 8x by 2 4x, 2 sin 4x multiplied with cos 6x minus 2x 4x, 4x by 2 2x. So we have sin 2 sin 4x as common. So if I take 2 sin 4x as common, we are getting 1 plus cos 2x. Okay. So but all the options are in the form of cos square x. We got cos 2x. We know one formula cos 2x in the form of cos square x, right, which is nothing but 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay. In trigonometry, formulas plays a crucial role. You should remember every formula to solve the solutions. Okay, from this formula we can get cos square x as 1 plus cos 2x, right? Means 2 cos square x as 1 plus cos 2x as. From, see here, 2 sin 4x, in the place of 1 plus cos 2x I can write 2 cos square x, right? So 2 cos square x, 2 into 2 4 cos square x, and multiplied with sin 4x, which is option number 2 here. I hope you understood the normal procedure also. Let's see our next question. See this question here. We need to find which number will be completely divide this expression. So what is the expression they have given us? 4 to the power of 12, 4 to the power of 13, 4 to the power of 14 and 4 to the power of 15. In all these numbers we have common 4 to the power of 12. So if I take 4 to the power of 12 as common, here will be left with 1, here 4, here 4 square and here 4 to the power of 3. If we add all these values, we will get 4 to the power of 12, 1, 4 power 1 is 1, 4 square is 16 and 4 cube is 64. See here, 64 plus 16 is 80, 84 and 85. So we got the value 4 power of 12 multiplied with 85. So this number can be completely divided with 85 or multiples of 85. So we can write 85 as, see here, 17 times 5, right? So this complete expression can be divided with 5 and 17 also. So in the options we have only, they have given 17, which is our answer here. Let's see our next question. See this question here. Here they have given cube of the difference between two natural numbers value is 1728. Let's say for example x and y are the two natural numbers and difference between them is x minus y, but they have given cube of the difference between them means x minus y whole cube value they are given as 1728. See the next step, x minus y whole cube equals 1728 is nothing but 12 cube, right? So from this we got x minus y value as 12. See the next part, while the product of these two numbers is 108. So they also given us product of x and y value is 108. So they asked us to find sum of cubes of these numbers. Cubes of x and y are x cube and y cube. They asked sum, means sum of x cube plus y cube they asked us to find. First let us solve by trial and error method. See the value of 108 here. This 108 I can write as multiple of two numbers like say for example 2 times 54. If we assume like 2 as x and 54 as y, I can satisfy the condition xy 108, but it is failing to satisfy the condition x minus y 12. See here, difference of 2 and 54 is 52, but we want the difference as 12. So if you go on like this, like 3 times 39 and so on, you will find a pair like 6 times 18 where it satisfies both the conditions of product of x and y as 108 and difference of x minus y as 12. See here, 18 minus 6 how much? 12. So from this x value is 18 and y value is 6. So that's why I said trial and error method. See what do we have to find? X cube plus y cube. So x is nothing but 18 cube and y is nothing but 6 cube. If you know the cubes, it is easy. 18 cube is 5832 and 6 cube is 216. See your unit digit, 6 plus 2 8, only one unit digit, which is our answer, or else you can say small problem, right? 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry forward 6048. See the normal method now. So what do we have here? X minus y value 12 and we have xy value 108. We need to find x cube plus y cube, right? So how can we find x cube plus y cube? We have the formula x cube plus y cube equals x plus y whole cube minus 3 times of xy with x plus y. So, for finding x cube plus y cube, we need the value of x plus y, right? How we can find the x plus y? By using these two values. So, we have a formula like x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square as 4xy. So, we need to find x plus y from here and we need to substitute in this formula. Okay, x plus y whole square minus x minus y value is 12 square, 4 times xy value is 108. So, x plus y whole square equals 4 times 108 is 432 plus 12 square is 144. So, if you add 6, 7, 5, x plus y whole square equals 576. What is the root of 576? 24, right? So, from this x plus value is 24. So, if you substitute this x plus value here, you get x cube plus y cube equals x plus y is 24 whole cube minus 3 times xy value is 108 times x plus y is 24. If you take 24 common, 24 square is 576 minus, you will be left with 3 times 108 which is 324. See here, 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 2 is 5 and 5 minus 3 is 2 multiplied with 24, you will get the answer as 6048. I hope you understood both the concepts. Let's see our next question. See this trigonometric question. This can also be done by value substitution and normal method. First, let us see value substitution. See, let's say for example, I kept y as 0 degrees. See here, if I keep 0 here, x minus 0 x, so I will be left with here sin x multiplied with here tan 0 is 0, tan x plus 0, you will be left with tan x divided by here x plus 0, you will be left with sin x multiplied with here tan y value 0, so tan x minus 0, you will be left with tan x. So, tan x gets cancelled, sin x gets cancelled. So, your answer is 1, which is option number 3 here. Let's say normal approach. Same, we have sin of x minus y, tan x plus tan y, sin of x plus y, tan x minus tan y. See, I will not disturb this sin x minus y and sin x plus y. See the tan x and tan y here. I can write this as sin x minus y. I left this as it is. Tan x can be written as sin x by cos x, right? And tan y can be written as sin y by cos y, right? Similarly, denominator sin x plus y I left as it is. I can write tan x as sin x by cos x minus sin y by cos y. See, if you take the LCM cos x cos y and here also same cos x cos y, denominators gets cancelled. So, you will be left with sin x minus y and cross multiplication sin x cos y minus cos x sin y, cos x sin y. You will get the LCM as cos x cos y and here also cos x cos y, cos x cos x cos x y both will be get cancelled. See the denominator part, sin of x plus y, same here denominator also sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. See this here, you are getting any formula sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. This is nothing but sin x plus y formula, right? So, this is sin x plus y formula and you got sin x plus y, both are got cancelled. Similarly, see here sin x cos y minus cos x sin y, same sin x minus y formula, these two gets cancelled. Again you got the answer 1. Let's see our next question. See this question here. Here they have given ratio of length of each equal side and the third side of an isosceles triangle is 3:7. Let's say for example A, B, C is an isosceles triangle. If it is an isosceles triangle, there will be two equal sides and a third side. So let us assume length of the equal side as A and the third side as B. This ratio equal side is to third side ratio they are given as 3:5. Okay, and also given area of the triangle. They asked us to find the length of the third side, which means b value. Okay, if I assume a value as 6x and b value as 10x, then also the ratio will be same. See, x gets cancelled, 2 3s and 2 5s. So I assumed a as 6x and b as 10x. See, if I draw a Sivian here, Sivian is nothing but from a vertex to the opposite side line is called a Sivian. In isosceles triangle, Sivian divides opposite side in two equal parts, which means this total length is 10x, right? Then this length is 5x and this length is 5x. And one more property in isosceles triangle, we will get a perpendicular if you draw a Sivian, which means AOC, this is a right angle triangle. So from this triangle, this is height, right? Height from Pythagoras theorem formula, height is nothing but 6x whole square minus 5x whole square, right? See, x we get common, 6 square is 36, 5 square is 25, 36 minus 25 will get 11. So value of height is square root of 11 multiplied with x. We simply know that area of a triangle formula is half multiplied with base multiplied with height, right? This area value they are given as 30 root 11 1 by 2 base what? 10x. So 10x multiplied with height, how much we got? Root 11x. Root 11 multiplied with x. See, root 11 gets cancelled and 0 gets cancelled. We got x square as 6. Simply x value as square root of 6. So what is the b value here? 10x, right? So b is equals to 10 times x value is nothing but root 6. Root 6. So our answer is 10 root 6 centimeters, which is option number 1 here. Let's hear next question. See this question here. Here they have given Amar can complete a work in 15 days, Prem in 12 days. So there is Amar and there is Prem. Time they have given as 15 days and 12 days. So time ratio is 3 5s, 3 4s. From this we get efficiency ratio as 4:5, right? So what is the total work here? Total work is either 5 times 12 or 4 times 15. So total work is 60 units. Okay, see the next part. Starting with Amar, they work on alternative days. So how many days will the work be completed? See here, on the first day, Amar started the work and he done 4 units of work. On the second day, Prem done the work with 5 units, which means in 2 days, both Amar and Prem done 9 units of work. But we should complete 60 units. So what is the 9 multiple which is nearer to 60? 54 only, right? 9, 6 are 54. So if 9 units is done in 2 days, 54 units is done in how many? How many days? 9, 6, 54, 2, 6, 12. So in 12 days, they completed 54 units. So on the next day, again Amar will come, right? So again he will do 4 units of work. See here, 13 days completed and they both done 58 units of work. So if this is done by Amar, next comes Prem. Prem efficiency is 5, but we have to do only 2 units, right? So total is 60 units, already completed 58 units. So 2 units should be done by Prem with 5 efficiency, means 2 by 5 days. So the total days is 13 plus 2.5, which is 13 2 by 5 days, which is option number 1 here. Let's hear next question. See this question here. Here they have said profit percentage earned by selling an article for 2000 is same as percentage loss incurred by selling the same article. See here, before that I am gonna tell you a small concept here. See, profit percentage is nothing but profit by cost price multiplied by 100, right? Loss percentage is nothing but loss by cost price multiplied by 100, right? So if we equate these two, see here, profit by cost price by 100 equals loss by cost price by 100. Hundreds gets cancelled, cost price gets cancelled, profit equals to loss. Which means whenever they said in the question equate profit percentage and loss percentage, you can simply equate profit and loss. Okay. So what is the profit here? Selling price minus cost price only, right? When selling price is more, you will get the profit. When cost price is more, you will get loss. So here cost price minus selling price. In the first case, profit percentage earned by selling an article for 2000. So 2000 minus cost price equals cost price minus. So what is the price he sold to get loss? Loss incurred by selling the same article for 1200 rupees. 1200. See here, 2 cost price equals 3200. Cost price is 1600 rupees. So what they have asked us to find? What the price should the article in order to earn 20% profit. So 1600 rupees is the cost price, 20% profit. Here in 1600, 20% is nothing but 320 rupees, right? See, 10 rupees is 160, 20% is 320. So 1600 plus 320, which is 1920 is your selling price, which is option number 3 here. Let's hear next question. See this question. Here they have said Raja, Rocky together can complete painting work in 5 days. So total work is nothing but time how much? 5 days. Whose efficiency? Both Raja and Rocky. Let's Raja efficiency is RA, Rocky efficiency is RO. So this is the total work. See the next part. Together they both start painting, but after 2 days Rocky falls sick and leaves work. After 2 days Rocky falls sick, but until 2 days they both worked, right? So 2 days both Raja and Rocky's work. So then Rocky falls sick and leaves the work. If Raja completes remaining painting in 4 days, so the remaining work is done by Raja in 4 days with Raja efficiency. This is also total work. So if we equate these two, we get 5 times Raja plus Rocky, 2 times Raja plus Rocky plus 4 times Raja. 2 times minus, means 5 times minus 2 times, 3 times Raja efficiency, Rocky efficiency, 4 times Raja efficiency. So here you will get 3 Raja efficiency, 4 Raja efficiency. So 3 Rocky gives Raja. So from this, Rocky by Raja efficiency you can write as 1 by 3. Okay. So what they asked us to find? Find the number of days in which Rocky alone can do the work. So in how many days Rocky will alone do the work? Total work, either this you substitute or this, both are same, right? So time here, work how much? 5 times Raja efficiency 3, Rocky efficiency 1 by who has to do Rocky by 1, which implies 5 times 4, which is answer is 20 days, which is option number 3 here. Let's hear next question. See this question. Here they have given A and B can do a piece of work in 5 and 10 days respectively. So 2 people A and B. Time is given as 5 and 10. Time ratio is 1:2. So efficiency ratio how much? 2:1. So what is the total work here? Same, 1 times 10, 2 times 5. So the total work is 10 units. So here what they have given? They began the work together, but A left after some days. In the previous question they given exact days, but here They said after some days and B finished the remaining work in 8 days. Let's say for example, A with efficiency 2 and B with efficiency 1, they are done for at least X days, and the remaining work done by B in 8 days. Time, what is the efficiency of B here? 1. Total work how much? 10 days. See here, both A and B done for X days, B done for 8 days with 1 efficiency. See here what they asked us to find. After how many days did A leave? After how many days did A leave, or how many days they both together work? Both are same, right? Both are value of X only, right? See here, X 2 plus 1 3, 8 which is 10. So X multiplied with 3, 10 minus 8 is 2, X is 2 by 3. So what is meant by X 2 by 3 here? Which is after 2 by 3 days A leave, and also for 2 by 3 days both A and B work together. Both are same. So our answer is 2 by 3, which is option number 4 here. Let's see next question. See this one more trigonometric question. Again, first we'll solve by value substitution method. See, for example, if I substitute A as 0 degrees, sin 0 is 0, 1 by 0 is not defined. So A as substituting 0 is not a suitable one. For if I substitute A as 45 degrees, see here, 1 by sin 45 how much? 1 by square root of 2 plus tan 45 how much? 1. Similarly, 1 by sin 45, 1 by root 2 by 1 by tan 45 is 1. 1 by root 2 becomes numerator, root 2 plus 1 multiplied with root 2 minus 1. See, A plus B multiplied with A minus B. A square minus B square, 2 minus 1, 1, which is option number 3 here. Let's see normal procedure. See here we have 1 by sin A and 1 by tan A. I wrote 1 by sin A as it is. 1 by tan A is nothing but cot A, right? So cot A is nothing but cos A by sin A multiplied with same 1 by sin A as it is. Again 1 by tan A can be written as cos A by sin A, right? See here, LCM sin A, we got 1 plus cos A by sin A multiplied with 1 minus cos A by sin A. See here, A plus B multiplied with A minus B, A square minus cos square A by sin A multiplied with sin A, sin square A. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. In denominator we have sin square A. Both are gets cancelled. Again we got the value of 1. Let's see next question. So that's all for the quant section, guys. In this video we covered 2 shifts of 18 July, and this reasoning video is from the same shift. Try this and comment your answer. And one more thing, guys, we are very close to 300 subscribers, guys. So please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, guys. See you in the reasoning video. Until then, take care. Love you all.